Hello everyone, welcome to BioOcean and this is me Sheethalmaria with you, and today we are here with our new video related to biochemistry, and the topic is pentose phosphate pathway, or the so-called HEXOSE monophosphate pathway, or the so-called HMP shunt. This is an integral part while dealing with biochemistry, and there are so many pathways that we need to learn while dealing with biochemistry, and one of them among those pathways is this HMP shunt or pentose phosphate pathway, and that is what we are going to deal today. And each and every step in this pathway will be explained in detail in this video. So let's get into the video. And before that, if anyone of you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload a video. The pentose phosphate pathway is an oxidative metabolic pathway operating in the cytoplasm, and in fact it is an alternative route for the metabolism of glucose. It does not generate ATP but has two major functions, that is, it supplies two important precursors for the anabolic pathways. The first one is NADPH, which is required for the biosynthesis of fatty acids and steroids, and ribose 5-phosphate, which is a precursor in nucleotide and nucleic acid biosynthesis. The sequence of reactions of the pathway may be divided into two phases: an oxidative non-reversible phase and a non-oxidative reversible phase. First of all, let's start with the oxidative phase. During the oxidative phase, glucose 6-phosphate undergoes dehydrogenation and decarboxylation to yield a pentose, that is ribulose 5-phosphate, and along with this, two NADPH molecules are also generated. Now let us understand the reaction steps coming under oxidative phase. The oxidative phase starts with the oxidation of glucose 6-phosphate by the enzyme glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase to 6-phosphogluconolactone. NADP plus is the electron acceptor here, producing one molecule of NADPH. The second step is 6-phosphogluconolactone, which is produced in the first step, that is then hydrolyzed by gluconolactone hydrolase to 6-phosphogluconate. And this 6-phosphogluconate is subsequently converted by 6-phosphogluconate dehydrogenase to ribulose 5-phosphate. This is an oxidative decarboxylation reaction, and here also NADPH serves as the electron acceptor. These three are the three major steps coming under oxidative phase. Now let us understand the non-oxidative phases. The initial reaction of this phase isomerizes ribulose 5-phosphate to ribose 5-phosphate by the enzyme phosphopentose isomerase to be used in synthesizing nucleotides. Subsequent steps of this phase convert any surplus ribulose 5-phosphate and ribose 5-phosphate into fructose 6-phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. These two products are intermediates of glycolysis, and therefore these reactions provide a link between the pentose phosphate pathway and glycolysis. Now let us understand the 5 major steps of non-oxidative phase. In the initial reaction of this phase, one molecule of ribulose 5-phosphate is converted to ribose 5-phosphate by isomerization catalyzed by phosphopentose isomerase. And simultaneously, this phosphopentose epimerase isomerizes ribulose 5-phosphate to cellulose 5-phosphate. Transketolase catalyzes the 6th reaction. It transfers a 2-carbon group from cellulose 5-phosphate to the ribose 5-phosphate, changing them respectively to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. The 7th reaction of the pathway is catalyzed by transaldolase. It transfers a 3-carbon group from pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate to the C- of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. C- or the so-called C1 of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate converting them respectively to erythrose 4-phosphate and fructose 6-phosphate. Last but not the least is in further reaction catalyzed by transketolase, cellulose 5-phosphate donates a 2-carbon unit to erythrose 4-phosphate to form fructose 6-phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. This is the overall idea of the reaction steps in non-oxidative phase. So, summing up all together, we can say that the oxidative phase has 3 reaction steps, while the non-oxidative phase has 5 reaction steps. And together, the total pentose phosphate pathway have 8 reaction steps in together. And this is the pathway. I hope that you understood the whole pathway, each reaction step, what all reactions happen, what enzymes are using, and like that. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any kind of doubts or suggestions, please let me know through my comment section. And do share this video with all others, your friends, your acquaintances and every other people you know who is interested to learn biology. Thanks for watching. Let us watch next video with an exciting any other topic. Thank you for watching. God bless. Thank you.